What if one curriculum topic could become an entire week of lessons in just a few minutes? Instead of planning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday separately, AI can help you turn one learning focus into a connected 5-lesson sequence. And the best part? You remain completely in control of what your pupils actually learn. Welcome to Creative Classroom Tech, where we explore practical ways teachers can use AI and technology to save time without compromising great teaching. Today, I'm going to show you a simple workflow for taking one topic and developing it into 5 purposeful, progressive lessons. Once you understand this process, weekly planning becomes much easier. Before opening your AI tool, decide what pupils should know, understand, or be able to do by the end of the sequence. Give AI the topic, year group, curriculum expectations, and the final learning outcome. The clearer you are about the destination, the easier it is to create lessons that genuinely build towards it. Now ask AI to break the topic into 5 logical stages, rather than simply producing 5 unrelated activities. Each lesson should build on the knowledge and skills developed in the previous one. Think of it as creating a learning journey, from introduction to exploration to practice to application and finally assessment. Imagine you're teaching Year 5 about forces. Lesson 1 could introduce different types of forces. Lesson 2 could explore gravity. Lesson 3 could investigate friction. Lesson 4 could examine air resistance. And Lesson 5 could bring everything together through an investigation. In seconds, you have the skeleton of a complete learning sequence. Once you're happy with the sequence, develop each lesson individually. Ask AI for a starter that activates prior knowledge, a clear explanation, practical or collaborative activities, independent practice, and a purposeful plenary. You're no longer staring at 5 blank lesson plans, you're improving 5 structured starting points. Here's where the workflow becomes even more powerful. Ask AI to create short retrieval questions at the beginning of lessons 2 to 5 using knowledge from earlier in the sequence. Pupils repeatedly revisit important learning, while you can quickly identify misconceptions before moving forward. Now bring your knowledge of the class into the process. Ask AI for vocabulary support, sentence stems, scaffolded instructions, additional examples, or greater depth challenges where appropriate. Don't ask AI simply to make work easier or harder. Ask it to remove barriers while maintaining ambitious learning goals. With the lessons organized, AI can help draft many of the resources you need. You might generate vocabulary lists, comprehension questions, investigation prompts, quizzes, success criteria, model responses, or exit tickets. Review everything carefully for accuracy, accessibility, and alignment with your school's curriculum before using it. Before considering the week finished, look at all 5 lessons together. Ask yourself, does knowledge genuinely build from lesson to lesson? Are pupils remembering previous learning? And does lesson 5 require them to use more knowledge or independence than lesson 1? AI can suggest a sequence, but professional judgment determines whether that sequence represents good teaching. So the workflow is simple. Choose one topic, define the final outcome, map 5 lessons, develop each lesson, build in retrieval, adapt for your pupils, generate resources, and review the progression. Save the prompt that worked well and use the same structure again for another subject next week. That's when AI starts becoming a genuine planning assistant, rather than another tool you have to learn. If you could turn one topic into 5 lessons this quickly, which subject would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to Creative Classroom Tech, and share it with a teacher who could use a little more planning time back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.